Hey everyone, this is SEA Crypto Daily Buzz. Today is July 7th. Bitcoin sits just above $63,500 and Ethereum near $1,783. Both are slightly lower on the day. The market stands at a crossroads. Bitcoin printed a two-week high yesterday near $63,900 on a short squeeze, but the rally cooled fast. 3 stories today. Let us break it down. Let's dive into our first story for today. Story 1. Strategy. The corporate treasury giant led by Michael Saylor sold 3,588 Bitcoin between June 29th and July 5th for about $216 million. This is the largest Bitcoin sale in company history, and it formalizes a new Bitcoin Monetization Program, sized up to $1.25 billion. Average sale price ranged between $59,000 and $60,700 per coin. Strategy still holds. 843,775 Bitcoin, worth about $52 billion. Proceeds will fund preferred stock dividends of roughly $1.5 billion per year. For traders in Manila, Ho Chi Minh City, and Jakarta, this matters because Strategy was long viewed as a permanent buyer. When the biggest whale becomes a seller, supply psychology shifts, and rallies face heavier resistance. Moving on to a major security alert in the DeFi space. Story 2. Summer.fi, formerly known as Oasis Point app, was hit by a $6 million exploit on July 6th. Attackers targeted a lower-risk USD coin vault built on the ERC 4626 standard, using a flash loan to inflate share prices. Advertised yield briefly spiked to about 2 million% before draining. The flash loan flowed through Morpho and was routed across Uniswap, Curve, and Balancer to hide the trail. $6 million is roughly 1/5 of the platform's total value locked. Decentralized finance losses in 2026 have already crossed $942 million. This event serves as a critical reminder that a single security audit is never enough in this fast-moving space. For Filipino, Vietnamese, and Indonesian users chasing yield, high advertised yield can be a warning sign, and a single audit is never enough. Finally, let's look at the macroeconomic data driving the latest market moves. Story 3. The United States jobs report last week came in at just 57,000 new positions, far below the 113,000 economists expected. April and May were revised down by a combined 74,000. Bond yields dropped, the dollar softened, and traders raised the odds of a rate cut this quarter. That helped fuel a short squeeze estimated between $450 million and $1.6 billion, pushing Bitcoin briefly to that 2-week high. Spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds also saw about $221 million of inflows on July 3rd, snapping a 10-day outflow streak. Yet retail sentiment stays cautious. The Fear and Greed Index sits at 23, deep in extreme fear. Macro factors continue to dominate the crypto landscape, especially for the vital remittance corridors in our region. For Southeast Asian remittance corridors, a weaker dollar can lift peso, dong, and rupiah purchasing power, supporting steady stablecoin accumulation. Looking ahead, we are keeping a close eye on the upcoming inflation data and central bank speeches. These will be the next major catalysts for both Bitcoin and traditional markets. Here is the recap. 1. Strategy sold 3,588 Bitcoin for $216 million. 2. Summer.fi lost $6 million in a flash loan exploit. 3. A weak jobs number triggered a large short squeeze near $63,900. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want more chart analysis and trading insights, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. See you in the next one.